That's it. Good? No?
It's just like Bubble Mania.
Yeah, Bubble Mania. Okay, good. Okay.
Wingstop versus GameStop. Who's gonna stop you, AJ? Wingstop, try daw natin to. Tingnan natin, open till midnight. Wingstop, wala. Puro take out lang, no? Walang table. Spicy Korean, Hawaiian, Louisiana. Hey, AJ, here's the flavor.
I know. Do we want wings or just a lot of fries?
A lot of fries? What's this?
We do one side.
What is this?
One side.
That's the tenders.
Tenders? The
Oh, wait,
cheese.
this is the tenders. That is the garlic parmesan. And fries.
That's it? Only two flavor?
No, I got.
Ito lang. Parang $31 siya. Mahal ah.
Wait, I think we're missing something.
What?
Not.
We're missing.
Hickory.
How many? There's only 3 wings. Oh wait, it's only.
Oh, granite. Ayun, nasa baba. Put it on top.
Yeah. Isa.
1 piece.
Taste it.
Here. The girls, ano, favorite niya daw, tatry niya, nakita niya lang. First time. What's that? The garlic parmesan. It's good? Good? I'm gonna try the fries. Yeah, it's okay. This one is Korean. I don't see Korean. Ano?
Veg food. Isa ko.
Yeah, mahal. Let's see. Price? What can you say?
5 days Nisa, ha? Nisa.
Wingstop. So, Wingstop tayo.
What's this?
Then you go, yan. Para,
Korean?
Wingstop. Yan.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ang daming
next,
fries.
try the ano.
Try ko to.
Yeah, Korean. Spicy Korean. How's it? It's spicy?
Ayun nga.
Try the hickory. Don't put it.
Ayun nga.
Let.
Maalat.
Maalat. Spicy Korean daw maalat. Oh, let's try. She's gonna try the hickory barbecue.
No, this is hickory.
Hickory?
Hickory's not bad.
Dami ko na kakain carbs ngayon, ha?
What's that? That one is good. The hickory daw. Better than the garlic parmesan. It's both good.
Ano natin?
That's it. Good? No?
It's just like Bubble Mania.
Yeah. Bubble Mania. Okay, good. Okay.